If you'd like to support the channel, or you just don't dig the idea of your boy cashing welfare donations, check out my book, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers. Although a slight deviation from our normal repair videos, which you've all come to know and love, I wanted to share this with you. My parents received this family heirloom from the recently departed, and we spent some time trying to figure out how these things worked.
You want to see that?
Did you ever put the records in here then? Oh, I see.
Look at this, where the sound's coming out.
That's where the echoing, yep.
A different volume control.
What do we got here?
Bring some light in.
Thomas Edison invented the phonograph all the way back in 1877. This phonograph requires no electricity. AC, or alternating current electricity, wasn't introduced in American homes until 1886, which means that by the time this was invented, less than half the homes in America even had electricity. What the?
That is the music
like
box.
Exhaust.
Look, it goes down and it shoots the music out right here. Let's see. Is there something that releases the tension? There we go, we're moving. Yeah, and I think that is the brake. Now it's moving. Looks like it's up to speed. So let's get our record.
Okay. Now keep in mind, these records should not be played with diamond tipped needles.
Brunswick. We got some jazz holiday.
Perfect. Like, how long does people normally spin this thing?
I guess flying now.
As the needle runs over the record's grooves, which causes the stylus to vibrate, those vibrations are mechanically amplified and projected out the flaring horn. That sounds good. Hey, there it goes.
That sounds like the right speed too. It's going all over the place, but it doesn't matter because the needle's heavy enough that it just stays on it. Yeah.
This is actually a really cool look. The Victrola Talking Machine company was founded way back in 1901, but later acquired by Radio Corporation of America, or RCA, in 1929. The iconic fox terrier named Nipper.
Kicks it off when it gets to the end. Yeah, it's kind of.
So is that one song?
Yeah. One song per record back then.
Was it?
Yep. Per side. Then you would go like. That would stop it.
Different from modern needles, which are made of diamond, these needles are made from stainless steel and tend to dull rather quickly. In fact, after one song being one record. And they must be switched out after each side.
Start it back up.
In order to not damage that record. Let it get up to speed, right? Or do you...
Yeah, and then you just drop the needle on the outside here.
Wow. It does. It's so crazy because it doesn't look like it's straight at all.
No.
We are Vestigial Voice, and we thank you for watching.